Hi everyone, so these are my soft neck garlics and today I'm going to be harvesting them. So as you can see, the tops are mainly green. The bottom part of the garlic tells you when it's ready, and as you can see by the arrow, that needs to be yellow. So I'm going to dig them up. You will need a fork and a trowel, and you want to get underneath them very carefully. You don't want to harm the bulb in any way. And then you just lever them up and dust them off. Get as much of the mud out of those roots as possible. But this is a lovely bulb. I think I might keep this one for next year's planting. So these bulbs were planted in November last year and it is now the end of June, just to give you a rough idea. So they look pretty good. So you need the green layers in order to protect the bulb when it's curing. It'll help to keep in all the oils and make for a delicious garlic. And I will tell you how to cure them in a small space at the end of this video, because I don't have room to hang them out on a massive fence and put them in a barn. I just don't have that kind of space. I'm really limited. I have a very small shed. So I'm just going to dig a couple more. And as you can see, there's loads of things growing around it, mainly weeds and marigolds, but it really doesn't affect the bulb. The majority of the year they will grow with nothing else around them over the winter. So I'll just get one more. So it's really crucial that you do not leave your garlic bulbs too long, because the bulbs will just split in the ground. So once they've fallen apart, they are pretty useless for storing. You can't cure them and you'd need to use them quite soon. Okay, so then I put them straight into a box. As you can see, you can use more than one box if you want to spread them out more. And I write the date on the box because they roughly take about 3 weeks to cure. And I'm pretty useless at remembering dates. And then I'll stand the box upright and I'll loosely tape it with all the reeds hanging out the top. And you can actually put holes in the side of the box if you'd like it to be more aerated. And then I'll just pop that in the shed, stood upright. Could actually leave it in the greenhouse because we're very cloudy for the next few weeks with quite high winds here in the northwest, so that would be fine as well. Just make sure that the whole of the bulb and the stalk is all crispy before you take it out. So I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the Lunch Break Gardener. Bye!